I'm not a guy of great words or tribulation, but I want to say tonight, congratulations to Oni. You have chosen a beautiful person. She's hardworking, she's dedicated. Altia, you know how we can be at times, but Oni is also a good ambassador. And I think it's somebody that you can work with, you can be with, and just two things I want to really leave you guys with. Well, first, Money, welcome to the club. Married man. Just respect and trust. You're going to be in a distant relationship for a little while, but respect and trust. And that, once you do that, we're going to make it. I wish you all the best, and we're all going to meet one day.